Hi, welcome to Pixie. I'm Pixie and in this video I will paint my BJD's hands. This one's from MSD Active Line Fairyland. And let's start. For this work I will use watercolors, gouache paint and soft pastels, as well as variety of different brushes. The topic of tattoos and patterns on hands has always been close to me. I think hand tattoos are very beautiful. So I found some inspirational photos on the internet and got down to business. The idea was simple, to make a beautiful non-intrusive pattern and to liven up hands with some blush. In general, I made a concept with rings on fingers, witch aesthetics and some oriental patterns. Initially, the hands were cleaned with alcohol and coated with sealant. On the first layer, I do all the patterns and blush work. In fact, there will be only 2 layers in total. The second should seal all the finished work. The key thing in this work is to try to paint over the entire shape of the fingers around the perimeter. In live and in most photos, minor errors will not be visible, and yet they can be corrected at any time with a Q-tip. I made a whole bunch of corrections during the process and I'm still pleased with the final result. I think it is no secret that in the photographs the hands are a very important part of the body. They can be very expressive and focus special attention on the things they are touching. Did you know that there are people like models of individual body parts? For example, Nina Taylor, one of the most popular hand models. Some even call her Kate Moss of hand modeling. She has worked with top brands and celebrities, and all because her hands are astonishingly beautiful. The patterns are ready and I can start blush. For blush I use same colors that I used before in face makeup. You can watch it by clicking in the right corner of this video. Pinks, caramels and peach shades. On large spaces I work with round fluffy brush and make colors pale and soft. Folds and knuckles I brush with brighter colors and paint over with small brushes. I remove excess pastels with a melamine sponge. At the end, I apply a texture with the diluted watercolors. Some droplets are especially charmingly fell on the surface and looks like moles. And now I'm wondering if their moles on hands even a thing. The first hand is complete, and so I just have to repeat the same with the second one. The pattern will be slightly different though. I find it more interesting option for photos. Both hands are ready now, and I covered them with the final coat of sealant. As I told before, second pair, I'll just blush. I want my model to have an options. And we're done! I think they turned out to be very soft and warm in appearance. Very cute in general. And what do you think? Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, I will be glad to read your comments. And have a nice day, guys. Bye!